What's up guys, my name is Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and today I've got a really quick video for you on how to change your PC's name. If you're familiar with file sharing on the network, then you may be confused with your PC's name being something extremely confusing that you can't remember. As you can see over here in the Networks tab, my computer is currently named something very odd, 190bo2 etc. And inside of here will be all of my shared files. So let's go ahead and fix this. Simply hit start and then type in PC name. You'll be presented with this over here. Click view your PC name, and then when you're inside of this window over here, hit the gray rename this PC button and go ahead and enter a name for it. After entering a name and clicking next or hitting enter, it'll ask you to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your computer's name should be changed, as you can see over here. So that's about it. Super simple and really easy to get around. Thank you guys for watching. My name's been Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.